Hello, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Today I am going to do the weekly reading for the Capricorn. Okay, so these are the general readings, so it may or may not be resonate with each and every one. So take the messages wisely, okay, according to your situation. Okay, so what is the message for the Capricorn for the coming week, for this week, that is 13 July 2020 to 20 July 2020. This reading is applicable for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, Capricorn. Okay, what is the message, universe, God, spirit guides, please let us know the message for the Capricorn for this week. Message for the Capricorn for this week. Okay, Ace of Cups in reverse, Sun in reverse, and Three of Wands in reverse. Okay, we will take the clarifiers. Why the Ace of Cups is reverse? Why the Ace of Cups is reverse? Please universe, let us know why the Ace of Cups is reverse. Why the Ace of Cups is reverse? Okay, Page of Wands, the Empress the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, and Three of Wands. Now we will take why the Sun is in reverse. I think in this week you are not feel like happy emotionally. You are not that much satisfied. Okay, okay, for the Sun we have the Five of Wands in clarification. Okay, there are some mental conflict, or it might be some fights, arguments with any one of a friend or any one of the means family members. I am able to see that there are so many peoples. It might, the fight may be with the four peoples, okay, or might be the mental conflicts in which there are so many thoughts in your mind, the negative thoughts or the toxic thoughts. Okay, that's why you are not feeling the joyful, you are feeling stuck. Okay, in unstable. Okay, why the Three of Swords in reverse? Please universe, let us know why the Three of Swords is reverse. Okay, Ace of Wands in reverse, Knight of Wands in reverse, Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is Page of Cups. Okay, so I think for some of you there this is the regarding the career issues. Okay, for some of you, and for some of you, you are not feeling the happy for yourself. You are not that much confident in this week because of the mental thoughts, because of the clutter, because of the fights, arguments with the colleagues or any family member. Okay, there is no movement, there is no any movement, you are not able to see any movement, positive movement. That's why you are hurting from your side, that movement is not your side. Okay, a Queen of Pentacles. So some people have some issues regarding the finance in this week 13 July to 20 July. Okay, or might be some earth sign, you're dealing with some earth sign, and that person is not putting that much effort in your connection. Whatever you desire, that person is not putting there that much effort. That's why you are not feeling joyful, you are not feeling satisfied. Okay. Or for some people, I am able to see that some people are there around you, they are very advantage taking people, they are just selfish people, sneaky people around you, and that's why you are and you are doing so much for them, but they are not that much loyal with you. That's why the things are this might be the work situation or maybe family situation. That's why you are feeling like a cold, left in a cold. Okay. And the bottom of the deck is the page of cups. So there might be the offer, someone might be offering you their cup to you. Okay. The emotional or the so that you will feel joyful, you will feel happy. Okay. That person may be the maybe younger than you. Okay. That might be any one of you, sorry, any one of the family member, like sister, brother, or anything, the your counterpart, anyone. They are trying to pull you out from these energies. Okay. So spend some time with your family, spend some time with your friends. Okay. So we will take one message advice card for you. Okay. Don't worry guys, you just come out from that situation. Just be positive. Okay. And be careful, because there are sneaky people around you. Okay. Please unicorns, please let us know the message for the Capricorn for this week. Please unicorn, let us know the message, the advice, and I will let you know one affirmation also, so that you can do that affirmation again and again and you feel good. Okay. Okay. The feather, this calling, this card is from the unicorn, which is tells you that they are near you to help you out. Okay. They are near you to help you out for the your situation. Okay. So don't worry, the family, the person, any one of the the family member or your counterpart, they are just giving their cup to you. They are they are at your back. Okay. So don't worry, and universe is also with you. Okay. And the bottom of the deck is the closeness. Your unicorn is so very close to you. See, the one card is telling the unicorn is near you, and the other card is telling you that unicorn is very close to you. Okay. The number is 5, the card number is 5. The 5 number tells us the changes. Okay. Positive changes. So positive changes are going to come, don't worry. Be patient. Okay. Be patient. So I will let you know one the affirmation for this two card, for the feather card and the closeness. The feather card has the number 8. Okay. So this might be the tough cycle for you, for some people. One cycle and one cycle and one cycle, it was infinitely going on, but right now you have the card of number 5, which tells us number 5 is the it tells us the positive changes. Okay. So positive changes are going to come, they are on the way, and universe is also with you, so don't worry about it. So I will let you know the affirmation. Okay. For the card unicorns near you. The affirmation is, I look for a message from the unicorns today. So you have to do this affirmation again and again. I look for a message from the unicorns today. Okay. And the other affirmation is, I know my unicorn is close to me. I know my unicorn is close to me. So you have to do the affirmation so that you can come out of this energy. Okay, and don't worry, the positive changes are going to come. So wish you all the best. And if the reading is resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.